We've got a rocket launch taking place tomorrow morning at 7:10 a.m. That SpaceX Falcon 9 will be launching off of Cape Canaveral or the Space Coast of Florida. Its trajectory right up the whole entire eastern coast. If you do plan on being outside tomorrow morning, look to the southeast and the east. Unfortunately, I do not think that many people will be able to see this rocket launch in our area, considering we are forecasted to have some pretty dense fog tomorrow morning. Visibility is forecasted to be less than a half a mile, so once again, the chances of us seeing this rocket launch not very high in our area. Now, as we head into the middle part of the work week and also into the end of your work week, there's a couple of things to keep in mind when talking about our forecast. First off, those temperatures are going to continue to stay well above average over the next 2 to 3 days in the low to mid 60s, the mid to upper 60s, and even the lower 70s as we head into your Thursday. And that comes with a lot of dry time as well. Now, as far as when our next best chance of rain is, we have a very weak cold front approaching our area come Thursday, and that will lead to a very small chance of rain throughout the late afternoon and say early evening hours on Thursday. But beyond that, as we head into your Sunday, a very potent warm front is going to be lifting to the northward from the Gulf of Mexico. And we all know anytime a system is lifting northward from the Gulf, it always drives in a lot of moisture, thus increasing our cloud cover and making for a very rainy day. And that is why the forecasting models, the majority of them, are forecasting a very rainy day as we head into this upcoming Sunday. Before we get to that, let's take a look at your forecast for your Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures still well above average for this time of year. We should be topping out in the mid to upper 50s. Instead, we're nearly 10 degrees above that in the mid to upper 60s under partly sunny skies, and your winds will be out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's that next system I was talking about. This will be approaching our area as we head into your Thursday, but before that, a very potent line of storms entering parts of the deep south and possibly some severe weather across parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama as well. As we head deeper into your overnight hours and say into the very early morning hours on Thursday, that rain is entering parts of western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, and even the northwestern parts of Georgia. As we head deeper into your morning and say towards your lunch hour, our whole entire state is pretty much rain-free aside from parts of the upstate where a few showers are possible, but the whole entire Midlands, Low Country, and the PD, which is our region, is completely dry. As you head deeper into your afternoon, say around the time you are heading home from work or school, our whole area still is once again pretty much completely dry, but the far western parts of our area, say our inland and border belt counties, a few showers are possible across those locations. And as we head deeper into your afternoon and into your evening hours, that line will be approaching Horry and Georgetown County, so a few showers are possible around that hour. By then, right after that, as we head deeper into your overnight and say into your very early morning hours on Friday, all the rain is completely out of our area. As far as your forecast goes for your Thursday afternoon, temperature is even warmer than your Wednesday afternoon, topping out in the low to mid 70s under partly sunny skies. That very isolated chance of a shower comes deeper into your day, say the late afternoon and early evening hours. And it'll also be pretty gusty at times, winds out of the southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Now, as we head into your Friday, that cold front is well off our coastline, leaving us with very dry conditions, and that'll also be the exact same case heading into your Saturday as well. Now, you can see lots of moisture already starting to be driven northward from the Gulf of Mexico, and that will lead to, once again, a very rainy day as we head into your Sunday. So Futurecast showing overnight on Saturday into your very early morning hours on Sunday, a very rainy day is heading to our area. The only chance of snow across the interior mountains of western North Carolina, and a very big snowmaker possibly heading to the interior parts of the Northeast as well. But unfortunately, it's just a big rainmaker for us. So if you do have any outdoor plans this upcoming Sunday, I would definitely try to get them moved indoors, considering how much rain is forecasted to head into our area. As far as how much rain we could see from this system, the European model, which is one of the models we look at, shows anywhere from around an inch to an inch and a half of rain, while the GFS or the American model shows anywhere from 2 to possibly 3 inches of rain. So as of right now, I would probably say in between 1 and 3 inches of rain, but obviously as we get closer to this event, we'll know a lot more details on this system. As far as your 10-day forecast goes for our Grand Strand counties, look for those temperatures to continue to stay well above average in the upper 60s and lower 70s for your Wednesday and Thursday. Probably sunny skies are expected both days with a very small chance of rain throughout the late afternoon and early evening hours on Thursday. Near average temperatures return this upcoming weekend with that next best chance of rain coming on Sunday. Beyond that, into next week, those temperatures, they're going back to normal in the mid to upper 50s with very small chances of rain on Tuesday. Beyond Sunday, our next best chance of rain will come next Wednesday. Here's your forecast as you head further inland. Once again, those temperatures still well above average in the upper 60s and possibly the low to mid 70s for your Thursday under partly sunny skies and that very small chance of rain coming throughout the late afternoon and say early evening hours. Drier weather returns for your Friday and your Saturday before that next big rainmaker arrives on Sunday. Beyond that, those temperatures are going back to normal or where they should be at this time of year, topping out in the mid to upper 50s. Next week, our rain chances come on Tuesday and Wednesday. Keep it here at Leams Weather for all of the latest information.